Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to use a single image for iOS in Flutter to generate app icon for different iPhone screen sizes. So all you have to do is create a Flutter project, then go to the iOS folder, open XE workspace inside Xcode. Next you will have to click on assets, go to app icon, select single size. So here I already have one image, I will just delete it. Okay, and then you will have to I will just my app icon got deleted. So what I can do is all you have to do is generate an image which is 1024 pixels by 1024 pixels. I already have one image and I will just drag and drop this image. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now when you try to run this your application on any kind of an iPhone device screen size, it will properly generate app icon for you. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.